Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites. You must own the domain and be able to edit site HTML or upload a verification file. Create or sign into a Google account, then start the Adsense application and enter accurate payment and tax details. Once done, submit your site for verification so Google can review policy compliance. Make sure to use real contact info. This speeds approval, and keep your site content published. Without live pages, verification stalls. Now you add Adsense code to your live site. Copy the global site tag from your account and paste it into the head section on all pages. This enables auctions and reporting. Next, choose auto ads for broad coverage or create specific ad units and insert their snippets where you want impressions. Once implemented, test rendering across desktop and mobile and adjust responsive settings so ads reflow. Make sure to clear caches and verify the tag loads without console errors. Finish by confirming ads are serving and monitoring performance in the Adsense dashboard. Initial fill often takes 24 to 48 hours. Use reports to optimize placements, adjust ad formats, and block categories that hurt user experience. If ads never appear, first check that the global tag is in head and not duplicated. Then inspect Browser Console for blocked scripts or mixed content. If you still see problems, review Adsense policy notices in your account.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.